everyone, I'm Saili Padmar, GDSC lead of MMCOE Pune, and today GDSC MMCOE is back with Solution Challenge 2022. So here we are for the info session of Solution Challenge. What is Solution Challenge? What are the prizes? How you can participate and how you can represent yourself and our college at an international level. So let's move on with this session. So what is Solution Challenge? So it's a challenge where you have to solve for one of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals using a Google technology. So various problems are stated on their website and you have to go through these problems and you have to bring up a solution in a team, and then you can submit it to Google by the end of 31st of March. So these are the various 17 development goals which are stated on their website. You can check out those and you can choose one of those, and then you can bring up a solution together in a team and you can work on the project further. So this is the timeline, what you have to do throughout this month and March by the end of 31st March. So the first is getting started. So the step 1, which is a very important step, that you have to join a Google Developer Club, which we have in our college, that is GDSC MMCOE. Click on the Join Us button which is present on the website. After that, you have to register for 2022 Solution Challenge, and the form link we will provide in the description as well as on the WhatsApp chats and other social media platform as well. Apart from that, you have to form a team. So you can form a team of 3 to 4 members, and then you can select a United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. As I stated, out of those 17, you have to choose one of them. Then the next step is to design and build. Now you will choose one problem statement. Then you have to build up a solution for that. You have to brainstorm your ideas and you have to work upon a solution. Once you get to a solution, then you can start with your design, that is front end, then back end, and then you can test your solution, and obviously you can iterate that if you want to optimize it as well. The next is submissions and judging. So whatever solution you make, you have to record a video and you have to submit it to Google by 31st of March. So top 50 solutions will be announced in mid of April. Top 50 will get mentoring, which will be in May. The next is top 10 finalists, which will be announced in June. Top 3 winners will be announced live on YouTube on July. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Getting started, design and build, and submissions and judging. This is the timeline. The next is prizes. So the top 50 teams are going to get a customized mentorship from Google, the Googlers and the experts. You will also get a t-shirt and a certificate, and an official certificate from Google. The next is top 10 finalists. So top 10 finalists is going to get a swag box with full of various Google merchandise, and they get an opportunity to showcase their ideas, their solutions to Googlers and developers all around the world on a demo day live on YouTube. So I would state here that there is, once you submit an app to the Google and if you get selected for the demo day, there is a demo day which is live on YouTube, and you have to present your idea, your app live on the YouTube to all over the world, and you get a chance to represent yourself at an international level. The next is contest finalist. So in addition to whatever merchandise swag box I mentioned, each individual from additional 7 recognized team will get a prize of $1,000 per student, that is per team member. And winnings for each qualifying team will not exceed $4,000. Next comes the top 3 winners. So in addition with the swag box, t-shirts, merchandise, certificates, what you get is top 3 winning teams will receive a cash prize of $3,000 and feature on the Google Developers blog, which is really going to help you to build your resume, because you are going to be featured on Google's blog, which you can share worldwide. The next is winnings for each qualifying team will not exceed $12,000. So I will stress on the judging criteria so that you can plan your further team meetings and everything accordingly. So the impact is going to be 60 points and technology is going to be 40 points. So your idea is going to matter a lot than the development, because it has 60 points. So as I told you about the 17 goals, you have to make sure that you are sticking to those goals and you are trying to relate your solution with that goal statement present on the website. Apart from that, not just the idea, how effective it is going to be compared with others is going to be important. Is there evidence of next step? That is, the third point states that does the team display a plan for future extension? They are going to check out whether you are limiting your project for whatever you have done right now, or you are also telling about the future plans as well. Also, they are going to tell you whether that the solution was iterated based on the user feedback. So I would suggest personally, when you work on some project, take user feedbacks from your colleagues, from your friends, and then work on those feedbacks as well, because the judges, we don't know who the judges are going to be and what they are going to think about your solution. So it's better you take the feedback from everyone. The next is technology, which has 40 points. So it's going to check whether does the solution implement all technical components needed to solve the challenge. They're going to check whether you're using the Google technologies, and to use those Google technologies, they have provided various resources to you. So go through them. We will be providing you various links as well. So the video which you are sending it to Google or submitting it to the Google via Google form, make sure that it has a working solution and how the user will interact with that particular app or whatever you have, website you have made. Make sure that thing you have included in the video. So, and whatever demonstration you are going to show in the video, make sure you are stressing on the Google technology which you have used in that particular project, and how the team made effective product and technical decisions for the solution are also going to matter in this technology aspect, which carries 40 points. So we will be providing all these things again so that you can refer while you're working on the project. So yeah. So this is the overview of videos. All these links are present on the YouTube also, but we will be providing those as well so that you can go through the brainstorming ideas, example project, so that you can work on your project with this whatever material they have provided. These are the 2021 Solution Challenge winners. So you can see their apps, their ideas on YouTube. You can check out how effective their solutions were, how unique their solutions were. And you can also try to brainstorm such ideas and work on such projects. And for that reason, they have posted it on YouTube as well. So just go through it. We will be providing the links as well. So I would like to tell about the Selfpaced Codelab. So Google is making sure that you are well versed with the Google technology and you have all the resources which will be needed while you are coming up with solutions and while you are developing your app. So these are various pathways like Kotlin, Firebase, Flutter, the data engineering and analytics, TensorFlow, neural networks, and web pathways as well. So you can visit any of these. You can view the training which is provided. While you are working on those code labs which are hands-on, you will also get the skill batches and certifications which will be there on their website. So, and also you will be able to learn new things in depth right from the Google's content. So it's going to be really beneficial for you. I hope you will be using this, and we will be providing these links as well to you guys. So make sure that you at least go through those content. You can use this and you can build your solution. So as you know, whenever we are doing a project, then we have to plan our project timelines, deadlines in sprint. We have to do it in, maybe you have a weekly plan or a monthly plan. So for that things, we have a design sprint kit which is developed at GV, that is Google Ventures, called as the design sprint. So this link we will be providing you in the description box and on the social media platforms as well. So it's a 5-day exercise, and it's flexible framework for solving problems through designing, prototyping and testing ideas with users. So you can go through this also. So there are various tutorial videos which are given by Google to us, and we will be sharing it with you, that how to identify a challenge, how to come up with a solution, and how you are going to design an interface for your app or your whatever website or whatever GUI you are going to make for the particular solution, which plays a very important role in the project. So let's move to FAQs, which you might be having. So you can post the whatever queries and doubts you have to our team, and our team is going to help you throughout this. Firstly, I would again say that you have to submit the solution by 31st of March, and then all the process regarding the judging will be started. The next doubt you might be having, that whether we have to stick to 17 development goals or we can have our own problem statement. No, you have to stick to those 17 problem statements which they have mentioned on the Google's website. I mean the development goals which they have stated, because they have to overcome the poverty, the health care, and they have to improve all of these in United Nations. That's why those problems have been stated, and their goal is to solve all of these by 2030. So make sure you stick to those development goals only. Make sure you use the Google technology, as I have stated that they have given you the pathways which you can learn and which you can how to use that will be also given by Google on their websites. The next question you might be facing, that what should be the team size. As they have stated that if you won the prize, you will be getting $1,000 per student, and the prize limit cannot be exceeded by $4,000. So I would suggest that you make a team of 3 to 4 members only, so that while giving the prizes it will be better. And yeah, so the guide, whatever the timelines, stick to those timelines, and whatever the content is given, make sure you use it, and you get certifications of all those things, which you can add it to your resume and LinkedIn as well. If you have any doubts apart from this, do contact us. As I said, our team is going to help you. So I would like to tell you about the 2021 Solution Challenge Demo Day. And as I said you, that once you submit the solution to Google, if you are capable and if your team gets selected in top 10 or whatever the criteria that Google has mentioned, you can definitely get a chance to pre-present your app on their YouTube channel live on that particular demo day, which they will be organizing after the submission dates are declared. So this was the 2021 Solution Challenge Demo Day. You can look into it, how they ask questions or how they present their ideas. These links will be provided to you by us in the description box, as well as in the social media channels, as I said. Again, I would say that please submit your solutions by 31st of March. This is a great opportunity, and it's a great event which is organized by Google once a year, and you get all the certifications and all the pathways for doing Google's project, and you can post these things on your LinkedIn account as well. Also, if you want to use Google Cloud for any of your project, you can redeem the Google Cloud credits. We will be telling you the pathway and that how you can do this if you are interested to use Google Cloud. So you can contact us. So we can't wait to see what our clubs build. So make sure that you participate, give it a try, because this is a great opportunity and it's completely free of cost. You get to participate in various pathways and get certifications, as well as you get to represent your ideas at an international level, which you can add it to your LinkedIn, your resume as well. And you get a very nice opportunity to interact with Google developers and experts worldwide. So all the best. I will see you in the Google Solution Challenge 2022. Thank you.